Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install rare nzip packing or unpacking app on your HUAWEI Nova 10 SE. And to do this we'll need to open our app gallery. Right here try to find the app called Rare. It's R like this. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to run this app. Click open when it's ready. Grant its all file access. Go back. And here's the app ready to start. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.